How to create an organizational chart in ClickCharts. Click Templates, select Organizational Charts, and choose a template or blank diagram. Add symbols from the symbol panel, enter names and job titles, and arrange them to represent your organization's structure. Use connectors to show reporting relationships between positions, then click Save when finished. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on how to create an organizational chart in ClickCharts. Click the Templates button to create a new diagram. From the list of templates, select Organizational Charts. Choose one of the available templates to get started quickly, or select Blank Diagram to build your chart from scratch. Start by placing the highest level position, such as a CEO, president, or department head, near the top of the canvas. Use the symbol panel in the left sidebar to add organizational chart shapes. Rectangles or boxes are commonly used to represent positions and roles within the organization, while circles can be used for committee members, consultants, or specialized roles. Additional shapes, such as triangles, diamonds, or other symbols, can be used to represent branches, partnerships, or other unique organizational entities. Click a symbol to select it, then click on the canvas to place it. To place the same symbol multiple times, hold Shift while clicking on the canvas. Double-click a symbol to enter text, such as employee names, job titles, department names, or role descriptions. Continue adding symbols to represent managers, teams, departments, and other positions within the organization. Arrange the symbols to reflect the reporting structure. Click and drag symbols to reposition them, and use the square handles to resize them as needed. To change a symbol's appearance, select it and click Fill to change its color. Click Line to modify the outline color and line style. To create relationships between positions, select a connector from the symbol panel. Click where the connector should begin, then click again where it should end. Solid lines are typically used to show direct reporting relationships, while dotted lines can be used for advisory, collaborative, or indirect reporting connections. You can also enable Auto-Connect New Symbols in the lower right corner of the window to automatically connect newly added symbols to the previously placed symbol. To edit a connector, click the line to select it. Drag the square handles to adjust connection points or reshape the connector. Click Line to change the connector's color and line style. When your organizational chart is complete, click Save to store your work. For more ClickCharts tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.